Hi, this video is going to go into the basics for the PhET simulation, states of matter basics. So to start off with, go to the PhET website, go down to chemistry, and then scroll down until you see states of matter basics. Click the play button, and then we'll get started. We'll go over the states section, and then we'll click over and do the phase changes after that. So when you click into the states section, you see that there are several options over here about what type of particle you're working with. You've got neon, argon, oxygen, water. They even try to show the crystalline structure that causes water to have a lower density as a solid. And then below that, you have solid, liquid, and gas. You also have a temperature reading up here and a thermometer icon, and you can go Celsius or Kelvin. Down here at the bottom, you can add heat energy and increase the temperature and watch what happens to the particles. Or you can take away heat energy, lower the temperature, and watch what happens to the particles. So this section is pretty basic. Those are the only options. When you click over to the phase change, you have a few more options. You can pump particles in. You can keep tabs on the pressure. You can push down on the container to create a lower volume. You can still increase or decrease the temperature. If you increase the pressure too much, it explodes, and then you have to return the lid. Hopefully that gives you what you need to get started, and I'll see you next time.